Hello, good morning. Here is a tech tutorial on how to change your meeting times or your meeting settings for your Zoom meeting for your class. So first I'm going to sign in. I was at sfusd.zoom.us. I'm logged into Zoom with my sfusd account. You can see my meetings. Maybe you had your meeting at the wrong time because of the schedule. No problem. I'm going to show you how to fix that. So this is the meeting that I just made. Please, your topic should be the grade and should be the subject that you're teaching. Honestly, the time doesn't matter so long as you make sure it is a reoccurring meeting. So here's my meeting. I'm going to go over here and I'm going to hit edit my meeting. Okay, so you can change the time and you can change the date right here. That's not as important as reoccurring meeting, because what we don't want to happen is we don't want to give our students the link to your Zoom and everything works next week, and then the second week of school you made a new Zoom and now students don't know how to get here. So this is perhaps the most important one, is reoccurring. And you want to go ahead and do weekly on Tuesdays now that you know your schedule. And you know, we have about 7 classes. Cool, that's going to be the next one. End date, or you can even make the end date maybe into next year if you know this is probably going to be there. I'm going to do Tuesdays and Thursdays because I'm going to use the same Zoom link. So if you are teaching 6th grade ELA and students see you twice a week, you do not need to make a separate Zoom link for a Tuesday and a Thursday. You can use this feature and hit Tuesday and Thursday here and make sure you can adjust the time here. So maybe it was 9 a.m. instead of 8 a.m. So I'm going to adjust it here. 9:30 a.m. It's going to go for an hour, or I think our classes are 45 minutes, so I can put that right here. 0 hours, 45 minutes. Okay, we're going to repeat weekly. We're going to repeat, oh, not every second week. We're going to do every week. Tuesdays and Thursdays, and we're going to end it at the end of the year because we're pretty sure that this is going to be our class. Make sure you don't put registration. They don't need to register. You can do a passcode if you want, or you can take the passcode off if you want your students to be in a waiting room. Go ahead and check waiting room. Just know that you're going to have to make sure if somebody comes in during the class, you're going to have to pause and let them in. Totally up to you. Participant videos can be on. You want to make sure they can call into telephone. And able to join before host. You don't want this there because you don't want students before you. Breakout room pre-assigned. You can do this later on when you want to make rooms. You can create rooms once you have your student roster. And you're going to, if you want to record the meeting automatically, you can do it to a local computer if you want to edit it later on to blur people out. Alternative hosts. This is a great place. So if you are feeling nervous the first day and maybe you want some support with Zoom for the first week, you can add me as a host. This way I can help you with the controls and I can help you get settled in. But this is the most important one. We want it to be a reoccurring meeting because we don't want to redo Zoom links every time there is a new class, which then we have to send the Zoom links to families and students. I hope this was helpful and have a great day.